Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying your Ramadan. And I hope you have done your previous work. You have completed your question answers and your worksheets. Let's start our next topic, which is on page number 44. And the topic's name is Saum, a pillar of Islam. And I'll explain everything along the way. Let's start. Fasting is one of the most important pillars of Islam. Saum is an Arabic word. It means to keep away from something. Muslims fast in the month of Ramadan. Every Muslim must fast in the month of Ramadan. Saum is the fourth pillar of Islam, and Saum means voluntarily stopping yourself from eating, drinking, and doing bad things from early morning before sunrise until sunset to please Allah. What it literally means is to abstain or to stop, and it is a special form of worship done during the holy month of Ramadan. And I know most of you are fasting this Ramadan, so I know that you people know how do we fast. We wake up before dawn or before Fajr, we take a meal, and then we do not eat whole day. When the sun sets, we break our fast. And during the whole day, all we have to do is not eat or drink or anything, and we need to be extra kind, extra patient, extra polite because we are fasting. So the next paragraph is, one who fasts keeps away from eating and drinking throughout the hours of the daylight. That's what I meant, from sunrise to sunset. Ramadan does not fall at the same time every year. It passes through every season. Ramadan may be of 29 or 30 days. So we all know that Ramadan shifts roughly 10 or 12 days earlier each year because it follows the Islamic lunar calendar, which is based on the moon cycles. And because a lunar year is 354 or maybe 355 days, it is shorter than the solar calendar, which has 365 days. So Ramadan moves backwards through the seasons and completes a full cycle every 33 years. So that's why we do not have Ramadan on the same time every year. And start or end of the Ramadan is not fixed. We see the moon and we start and end our Ramadan. So that's why sometimes we have 29 rosas and sometimes we have 30 rosas. Let's read our next paragraph. There is a deep relationship between the holy month of Ramadan and the Holy Quran. It was in the holy month of Ramadan that our Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ received the first revelation of the Holy Quran through the angel Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. The month of Ramadan is full of blessings. It is a blessed month. So, my dear students, the month of Ramadan is also called the month of Quran. You know why? Because it is the special month when Allah first began revealing the Quran to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. And Muslims celebrate this by reading, studying, and listening to the Quran more often than usual. Inside the last 10 days of Ramadan, there is one special night called Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. And we believe that this is the night, exact night that Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and it's guide for us, for all the humanity, and it guides us to be a good person. And think of Ramadan like a spiritual training. Like when you're fasting, it helps your body learn discipline and patience, and Quran acts like a manual or a guidebook for your heart. When you fast during the your heart becomes softer and it becomes more ready to listen and to understand the beautiful lessons in the Quran about being kind, about being honest and helpful to others. Okay, students, now on the same page we have book activity. It has some questions. Two or three questions are same, so we are going to do 4 questions. One question is almost the same. Let's read the questions and let's understand. The first question is, in which month do the Muslims fast? The second question is, what is the Arabic word for fasting? So if you read carefully, the question number 2 and 3 are almost the same. So we are going to omit one question. Question number 3 is, does Ramadan fall at the same time every year? Question number 5 is, what is the relationship between the Holy Quran and Ramadan? So my dear students, you have to write these questions and their answers on your notebook. Your worksheet will be attached with the lesson and the video lesson. You have to attempt it, you have to submit it so that I can check the worksheet. The first question is, fill in the blanks. Fasting is one of the most important dash of Islam. One who fasts keep away from eating and dash throughout the hours of the dash. Ramadan may be of 29 or dash days. The month of Ramadan is full of dash. Question number 2 is, choose the correct answer. Som is the dash. You have to find the correct answer. You have to circle it. Second question is, fasting in the month of Ramadan is dash obligatory upon every Muslim or not obligatory? Third question is, why should Muslims keep fast? Because we have nothing better to do, or the second is because Allah commands us to keep fast, so that we can become muttaqoon. Muttaqoon means good Muslim, a Muslim who obeys Allah. Fourth one is, what do you do when you fast? We do not eat or drink from Fajr to Maghrib. And second option is, we can eat or drink anytime. Choose the correct answer and circle the correct answer. And again, I'm reminding you, please complete your worksheet, submit it so that I can check it. Last one is, who are excused from fasting in the month of Ramadan? The healthy person, or the second option is the old elderly person who is unable to fast. And we know that not just old people, people who are sick or people who are traveling are also exempt. And with this, our lesson ends here. And I pray for all of you that may this Ramadan brings peace, blessings, and safety to all of you and us. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please complete your assignments. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of your parents. Be good to each other. And Allah Hafiz.